Well, how on the children to do this year, the Queen Quet head on the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. We're so glad for they right here at the Global Climate Action Summit, where we to try to move cultural heritage into this year discussion. So while on the children are there with me, you know how to go, I know what is going on. Even in the midst of the storm, God make a way, and make a way for we to be here this year day. For crack we teach, but who we be, that we be Gullah Geechee anointed people, that we rising up 2018 to stand up for this cultural heritage, culture for climate in the midst of it all. Because if we ain't gonna do nothing and things like that, all the rest of the people in the world ain't gonna do nothing either. Gonna have to start at home, and then the charity going out join, charity going abroad. So we done join with plenty of people right here in San Francisco. So we glad Hunter chilling to tune in to this year Gullah Geechee TV show. That it all about this year Global Climate Action Summit. So we gonna show Hunter chilling what you can do, and we ready for you join with we too. Peace and blessing, everybody. Well, how Hunter children to do this year, the Queen Quet and thing like that, they coming live to Hunter children from the road one more again for this Gullah Geechee Save the Sea Islands tour. Now see, when we to go on all these other rest of places and thing like that, and you have to get on the plane, you have to get on the ground, you have to get in the car, get out the car, all that kind of thing like that. You don't get to see everything or other people to crack your teeth with your boat. So, as they would say, how cool is this? That I was able to find a video of me on the streets as we entered the Global Climate Action Summit. Y'all check this out.
Okay. Young people are key to solving the climate crisis, because I think a lot of the older people are kind of settled into our lives the way that they've always been and may not really realize the urgency of the moment. And it's the young people who are going to have to deal with everything that we leave behind. People who say you can't accomplish anything, I say, well, move out of the way while I'm getting it done. That's what I say.